sticks out of his pocket. He handed one to a bigger kid and another one to a bigger kid. He thought, boy, we'll have a ride here. And to his amazement, the kid unfolded the paper, stuck it in their pocket, pulled the little white paper out of inside it, and stuck it in his pocket. Then they broke off a little wee piece and said, stick your tongue out. And they went around and they put this chewing gum on every kid's tongue, just a little wee piece to give them a taste. Then he took the paper out of his pocket and he ripped it off, and he did to kids that hadn't got a taste. And then the other piece of paper. Gail is so enthralled by all this. He says, kids, when I come in tomorrow, I will drop candy bars and chewing gum out of the airplane down to you. And the kid says, well, there's a plane averaging every 2 minutes. How will we know which airplane is you? Gail says, when I come in, I will wiggle my wings. When you see a plane wiggling its wings, you be ready to catch the chewing gum and the candy bars. And the kids from then on called him Uncle Wiggly Wings. Every time he would come in to land, he'd wiggle his wings. His people back here in the cabin would throw candy bars and chewing gum out to the kids. And that's the story on the candy bar. His name is Gail Halverson.
What is that?